Markets don't just move randomly. They follow patterns, either trending or chilling in a range. And here's the catch. Knowing the difference could literally save you from a classic rookie mistake. FOMO, buying right before a dip. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you will be reading charts like a boss. When I first learned this, it completely changed how I trade. Just by aligning myself with the trend, I've been able to make hundreds of dollars and thousands of dollars without forcing trades or guessing. That's why this lesson is so important. Now let's talk about FOMO. What is FOMO in trading? FOMO stands for the fear of missing out. It is the anxiety traders feel when the market is moving fast. You know, that feeling when the market is running and you think, but don't jump in now, I am missing the opportunity. The problem is FOMO makes you act on impulse with no confirmation, no analysis, and no solid plan. And that is how accounts get wrecked. In trading, it is not about speed, it's about being calm, logical, and patient. And hey, subscribe if you're serious about growing as a trader. I upload 3 trading classes every single week and you don't want to miss the next one. So what are the trends and ranges anyway? Understanding this is like having a compass in the market. The market follows predictable patterns that can help you make smarter trading decisions. It tells you if you should be trading with the trend or sitting on your hands to avoid unnecessary losses. What is a trend? Think of a trend like someone going for a walk. If they're walking uphill, that's a bullish trend, prices going up. If they're walking downhill, it is a bearish trend, prices going down. In short, uptrend is buyers in control. When buyers are dominating the market, prices continue to climb higher. Downtrend is sellers taking over. When sellers have the upper hand, prices continue to fall lower. Trends tell you who is control, and you definitely want to know that before placing a trade. Let's make it even simple. Imagine prices like an escalator. When it's going up, it carries prices higher. Bullish trend, uptrend, rising trend. Like you can see, just right here. When it's going down, it drives prices lower. Bearish trend, bear market, and your job, you just try to hop on at the right time. So you can see this is going out. By the way, drop a comment below. Do you prefer the trend with the trend, or do you sometimes fight against it? But what happens when prices don't move up or down? Sometimes the market just stalls. Sometimes the market doesn't have a clear direction. It's not climbing up or sliding down. It is just moving sideways. That is what traders call a range-bound market. Basically, price is in chill mode, moving sideways. So what is a range? Okay, now let's talk about the market in chill mode. Sometimes prices are not moving up or down, the price just can't make up its mind, it's just going sideways, and that is called a range. If you're finding value so far, then smash that like. It helps more traders discover this fast, and it really supports this channel. Range characteristics. So no direction, no uptrend, no downtrend, just price flat. Indecision everywhere. No commitment, no direction, just indecision. Sideways movement, price move horizontally rather than showing a clear up or down direction. And this is where many traders get shocked up, because they just expect a big move when there's really nothing going on. Spotting market conditions. So how did you know what you're already in? Watch price action. Look at how price is moving on the chart. Identify pattern. Is it making higher highs? That is an uptrend. Lower lows? That is a downtrend. Just moving sideways? That is your range. Confirm the market condition. Determine if you're in a bullish trend, bearish trend, or just range. So pro tip, smart traders don't trade emotionally. Don't trade what they hope will happen. They trade what they actually see it. And if you're serious about learning to navigate the markets, you don't have to figure it out alone. That's why I put together the Unstoppable Trader Tools with a starter guide. Resources that help you move quicker, avoid common mistakes, tools to master the patterns that keep you stuck. Trading doesn't need to feel overwhelming. These tools could give you the kind of structure I wish I had starting out. It might help you skip some rookie traps and approach the charts with more clarity. You can check more in the link on the description. In trading, the trend is your compass. Follow it with discipline and it will lead you to consistency. So make sure you hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss next week's class. And hey, share this video with another trader who needs to hear it. Trade and